Welcome to today's Birak IT video. Not a podcast today. Today we wanted to talk about using your mobile for business. But before we continue, previously many users who use Microsoft applications, diehard fans, would be using Microsoft Windows Phone or Windows Phone 10. Now, in October 2017, Joe Belfiore mentioned that they are going to end support for Windows Phone. So, what were the options for many Windows Phone users? One option was to use iPhones. The other option is to move towards Android. Now, this doesn't mean that Microsoft won't support you on either platform. They provide many applications for both platforms. Now, 1.5 years after Joe's announcement, people like myself have moved over to Android, and as a result, we want to explain how you can make the best benefit using Android for both personal and business use, and how this can tie in with some of the videos we mentioned on Office 365. Over the coming weeks, we're going to talk about some applications that can work for you, for your business, whether that's from Office 365 or outside of Office 365. And if there's any apps that you would like us to talk about in further detail, please drop a comment below. Also, please subscribe for future videos from our team. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.